Destiny Etiko extra baby added. Ghanaian chef slave Ghanaian's guests. Africa China flag off its grace. And big congratulations to Tonto DK. Hello everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Thank you to all my returning subscribers. God bless you guys. Thank you for coming back again and again. To my new subscriber, you're highly welcome. And if you have not subscribed, subscribe and be part of this great family. Yes, my beautiful people, I don't say come back again with another gist, with another story. Well, today I want to talk about Tonto DK, Destiny Etiko, Africa China, and one Ghanaian chef. Where I'll first talk about this our Nigerian superstars, Tonto DK, Africa China, and Destiny Etiko. May I first wish them big congratulations to them, more grace to them, and more grace. Yes, so my beautiful people, these three people, wetin they do na good thing, because for that Nigeria Nollywood industry and all those singers, I know say many of them na competition na they dey, because many of them they love to dey flash the latest car, martial arts. Na good thing, my people. I'm not jealousy of them. I know some people will say, wetin concern you, my people. Yes, now wetin concern me, I say concern you. Why? Because all these people, all this our Nigerian celebrity, especially industry, all those our Nigeria industry, many of them get mansions of ours and latest car, modern of 2021 or 2020. I'm not jealousy of their, because they work so hard to get there. But one thing is that the society where they dey, the Nigeria where they know say there's a lot of hunger there. I know they cannot support everybody. At least many of them get more than one cars too. Even this mansion of ours, all those money that they are using to acquire the latest car, the latest mansion, at least if they use that money, they invest in that country, they use it to open company of pure water. My people, I'm telling you, poverty will less in that Nigeria. If they use it to open companies like pure water, my people, that country less poverty go dey, because all those money they are using to buy the latest car, buy the latest mansion, at least that money, I believe that it can open a company of pure water. Because if one person buy car for there, all of them go like to still buy the latest. If one person show off their mansion, all of them go still like to show off their mansion. It's like they are just doing competition. They are just doing competition. They are just doing who will buy the latest car, who will buy the latest mansion, who will buy the latest Jojo Armani shoe, who will buy the latest Gucci, latest handbag, and all those kind of things. It's their money, oh. Yes, we all know it's their money. At least they should give to the society. They should support. I'm not saying that they should give money to the youth, or they should give money to one person. At least they can use it to open company. If they use it to open company in that Nigeria, this car and the mansion they acquire, they will acquire 10 times of it. If they use it to open companies, if they use it to invest in that Nigeria, all the time mansions here and there, latest car here and there. Now that Nigeria people now they do movie for that Africa. Other countries they do movies. Many African countries they invest in their they invest in their country. But our Nigerian celebrities, the only thing way they know is that about mansions, latest car, latest this one, go club. I know say that their money they use it to they use it and take do what they like. But if they have this art of feeling, say may they give to the society and give it to the society. I'm not saying that they should give money to one beggar that's on the road. At least they should use it to open companies one latest car in that Nigeria, all those people that acquire all the time, that latest car, at least the money can, I believe that that money will build one company of pure water in that Nigeria. It will build one company of that Nigeria. And all those people, those our Nigerian celebrities, they are not even they are not even saving for the rainy days. That is why you will see a lot of them. At the end, they will come out online, they will be begging here and there. But the time they have the money, they prefer to be buying latest car, latest mansion. I know it's their money. I know some people will say, wetin concern you. My people, I'm not saying wetin concern me and wetin concern you. We are talking about how that Nigeria will be a better place. The government have failed they have failed already, because all those people, they don't, they count them to be human being again. At least all those celebrity, they should give to the society. Not be all this. One thing is that, my people, if one just show one car today, before a week runs out, 3 or 4 people don't show. It's like they are just doing competition between themselves there. They are just doing competition within themselves there. Now that the day Africa, many celebrity, like white people celebrity, they give to the society. Many of them, they will open restaurants. Many of them will have many things that they are doing. Because if they open all those companies, they will be having more than to use it to buy the latest car, buy the latest mansion. Now wow. Where, my people, may we go back to another this Ghanaian chef. Hey, he don't slay all the Ghanaian girls. Say because Starboy dey Ghana. Say because as Starboy dey Ghana, all the Ghanaian girls, they don't rent house near to Starboy because they want you see Starboy face. My people, they say not everybody cannot love Starboy and everybody cannot hate him. That one is everybody. At least the one way love him, make they appreciate him. He don't blast all the Ghanaian ladies. Don't be smart, you. Ghanaian chef. No be only Ghanaian, even as Nigeria as a whole. So people want even rent us near Starboy Domot self. No talk of close to her. This man don't come mad. He come mad. The Ghanaian chef, he really blast all the Ghanaians girls, call the names, say because of Starboy, see the way the Ghanaians, see the way that they behave. They want rent house, they want all of them, they want they close to Starboys here and there. My people, if I will upload the video, make una see here the way the way the guy they talk, the way the Ghanaian chef take blast the ladies, no be small. If you see the way they talk, we take blast all the Ghanaians ladies and girls for there, no be small thing. Starboy na celebrity. Everybody want dey close to them, everybody want see them, everybody want touch them. This might really blast the Ghanaians ladies and the girls, and as I said before, I will just put the video for you guys to see what I'm talking about. Thank you guys, thank you so much. God bless you guys for always coming back to support me. Please share my video, comment and like. See you guys on my next video, and I will also upload the video of the Ghanaian chef. Make una see how e take blast the Ghanaian ladies and girls. Bye. Ciao.
Asemo Ghana mba mo bro. Hwe celebrity chef me na me aduane ma Wizkid. Hwe say apartment a woman no. The next apartment girls be abejo because of Wizkid. Whiskey da betina poolside na say like original home na mo Ghana ma mo yiyi mo ha begyina mo apartment na mo face yen apartment no na mo twitwa video se ne be ya Whiskey be appear wo Ghana mba pa mo bro rade mo tu no ma ba be ha apartment ina mo ma pressure Ghana mba on say Whiskey buofu ma o ka say ntino they should go and warn you people Yampa mo ma ba betina mo apartment na mo facing yen next apartment se na Whiskey beba picture no ni aka sa den woni ni twa ya na Ghana mba mo bre Slay Queens mo bre mo ma pressure mo bre Ghana mba de mo bre too much because of Whiskey into my barber rent apartment next to your apartment and a muma raw and a move picture just say Whiskey will appear inside now you who say money Whiskey the picture and I said Whiskey is in the same apartment with you people Ghana mama pressure mo bro me cry me no aduane man me celebrity chef me na me no aduane ma Whiskey empo me rushing of sir or you calm very nice and humble guy Whiskey is the first artist among so you're very humble. Nigerian artist so you're very humble guy. Once a Whiskey the from or see a mama warning. Ghana Fomba, Muguye Nimasi Papa, Edim Guase for. Just to have a picture with Whiskey Intino. You people came to rent apartment next to our apartment, to Whiskey apartment.